Google just did something they have never done before. They gave their AI access to your personal data, your Gmail, your photos, your search history, your YouTube, and they made it free. Most people have no idea this update even exists. Personal intelligence lets Gemini connect to your Google apps, Gmail, Google Photos, search history, and YouTube, and use that context to give you answers that are specific to your life. Think about every time you've typed a long explanation into an AI just to get it to understand your situation. Personal intelligence removes that. Gemini already knows the context. You just ask, you have a layover, you want food. Gemini does not just list airport restaurants. It knows your flight details, your gates, how long you have until boarding, and what you actually like to eat. It connects all of it automatically. Trip planning. Instead of the same recycled top 10 lists, every travel blog copies from each other, Gemini builds you something based on your actual past trips, your interests from your search and YouTube history, and places you have genuinely enjoyed before. Now, I want to spend a minute on privacy because I think it is worth being real about this. Giving an AI access to your Gmail and your photos is not a small thing, so here is exactly what Google has officially stated about how this works. It is completely opt-in. You decide which apps to connect, and you can disconnect them at any time. Gemini and AI mode do not train directly on your Gmail inbox or your Google Photos library. Google says they train on limited information, like specific prompts and the model's responses, to improve the product over time. Gemini will also try to show you what information it pulled from your connected apps so you can verify it. And this feature is only available for personal Google accounts, not workspace, business, enterprise, or education accounts. So the controls are there, the transparency is there. Whether you connect to everything or just one app, that is your call, but you should make it as an informed decision, not just tap agree and move on. Here's how to actually get it set up. 4 steps. Step 1, open the Gemini app or head to gemini.google.com. Make sure you are signed into your personal Google account. Step 2, go to your settings and look for personal intelligence or personalization. This is where you switch it on and choose which apps to connect. Step 3, pick your apps. Right now, your options are Gmail, Google Photos, search history, and YouTube history. You do not need to connect all of them. Start with the ones most relevant to how you use Gemini and go from there. Step 4, add your personal preferences. Gemini lets you write in things about yourself, your interests, your goals, your work, so it can factor those in on top of what it pulls from your connected apps. This part takes 5 minutes and makes a noticeable difference in the quality of responses you get.